What's the meaning of armhole? Armhole. Armhole.
Armhole. Armhole. The term armhole refers to the opening in a piece of clothing where the sleeve is attached to the main body. It is also known as an arm's eye. The armhole plays a crucial role in determining the fit and comfort of a garment, as it affects the range of motion for the wearer's arms. Properly constructed armholes should be high enough to allow freedom of movement while also ensuring that the garment fits snugly under the arm. A well-designed armhole can enhance the overall appearance and functionality of a piece of clothing.